Pick a plate, any plate. A keyboard's plate is a slim piece of material, usually metal, that sits between the switches and the PCBA. Depending on the material you choose, the plate will interact with the switches differently. In an effort to offer even more customization, the Carina is available with your choice of 3 add-on plates. Aluminum SWITH plate, the most common material found in custom keyboard kits. Aluminum offers a good balance of stiffness and flexibility to complement most switches. Brass switch plate, with a higher stiffness rating than aluminum, it provides an even sturdier feel. Copper switch plate, similar to brass in its chemical makeup, copper provides a rigid, satisfying feel. Find what works best for you. Many typists prefer to match stiff plates with tactile switches to accentuate their tactility, while others prefer to pair flexible plates with linear switches for a more dynamic feel. Top reviews from the United States. Nice plate. So I went with the cheap plate that was available for the drop Carina. Really nice looking, being in the plastic showing it new. Felt more flimsy compared to the copper plate, but I had no problem with it. Installed it and everything was great. Only thing I would say, since this is my first time putting the Carina together, is the plate being the exact size of the case, so it was a tight fit to push in.